Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to uninstall and completely uninstall or remove any program from the Mac OS like M1, M2, M3. So let's start the process guys. First of all, you need to open the Finder here, and once you open the Finder app, you should be able to see the windows like this. You need to go to the application. Okay, so generally when we drop down, like, we simply just click on any app which we want to uninstall, for example this, and simply drag it through like this to bin. But this is not the complete uninstallation process guys. Let me show you how to do the complete process. You just need to select the app here like this. Make sure you quit the app before any app it. Let me show you. You just need to go to here and simply quit the app, force quit, and simply quit it before uninstalling, otherwise it will create the issues. Okay, so once we are on this page, you need to go to search, type here the name, okay, here is the video pad. Okay, and from here we need to go to plus icon here, and from here select the name and select our video pad matches. Okay, and click on plus again, click on select our other, and now in here look for system, tick the box system files, include the system files such as preferences file. Just tick this option, click on OK, and select here again the now select here the R included. So inside here guys, look for the and select here any. Okay, once you have select this option, all the files will be showing up here. Just select all of them like this and press command plus delete button on your keyboard, or you can drag and drop all the files here like this. Select all and simply drag it to bin. So once you have done this process guys, complete uninstallation process is done now and you are good to go. So I hope guys this video really helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.